Hi guys, welcome to honest, straightforward reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. First of all guys, let me introduce you to my new logo, which says HSR, honest, straightforward reviews. Please let me know what you think of it. I'm really proud of it and happy about it. Thank you. Looking at the MacBook Pro 15-inch, higher end one, 2018, and you might be wondering that I've already done the review of the 2019 one. Why am I doing the review of the 2018 one a year later? Interesting question. Because the 2018 one you can get it a bit cheaper, and you might be thinking going, hey, should I get the 2018 one a little bit cheaper? So let's go through the pros first. It's stylish, easy to use, easy to set up. You get access to macOS Apple's ecosystem, decent battery life, improved keyboard, and Touch ID on it just works. The cons: it still has throttling issues due to the chassis. Heating issues also, it heats up a lot. The CPU and GPU underperform all the time. Can't get any of your work done at the speed it should. No 4K. Low refresh rate, even the iPad's got a higher refresh rate. High price. Verdict time: the MacBook Pro is an absolute beast of a machine. On paper. In real life, due to the slim design of the MacBook Pro, it has a lot of issues with cooling, which in turn result in a laptop that's constantly being throttled even below the CPU's normal speed. It runs very hot when you're trying to do anything graphic intensive. For the price of it and the speed in actual life that you get, you should stay away from this laptop. Get an Asus or wait for the 16-inch MacBook Pro that's in the pipelines and see if that's worth it, if they've changed the body. Thanks guys. That's it from me. Enjoy your day. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.